Certainly. Here are some interesting facts about Friday. 1. Name origin. The name, Friday, is derived from Old English, Frigdag, meaning, day of Frigg, referring to the Norse goddess Frigg, who is associated with love, marriage, and destiny. 2. Superstition. Friday the 13th is often considered an unlucky day in some Western superstitions. This superstition is known as paraskavidikatriophobia. 3. TGI Friday. The phrase, "Thank God it's Friday," or TGIF, is commonly used to express excitement about the upcoming weekend. 4. Weekend start. In many cultures, Friday is considered the last workday of the week and the beginning of the weekend, making it a day of anticipation and relaxation. 5. Religious significance. In Islam, Friday is considered a holy day, and the Friday prayer, known as Jumu'ah, is an important congregational prayer. 6. Planet. In Roman mythology, Friday is associated with the planet Venus, which is named after the goddess of love and beauty. 7. Song. The song, Friday, by Rebecca Black became a viral sensation on the internet in 2011, though it received mixed reviews for its lyrics and production. 8. Casual dress day. In many workplaces, casual Fridays allow employees to dress more casually on Fridays compared to the usual formal attire. 9. Black Friday. In the United States, the day after Thanksgiving is known as Black Friday, which marks the beginning of the holiday shopping season with major discounts and sales. 10. Astrology. In astrology, Friday is associated with the planet Venus, making it a day for love, beauty, and pleasure. These are just a few facts about Friday. It's a day that holds various cultural, religious, and social significance around the world. Don't forget comment your opinion about Friday.